welcome to You and You. Today we are going to be talking about something super serious. What am I talking about? Today we're going to talk about uncovering your life secrets through your budget. I know y'all don't want to talk to me, but it's okay. I'm going to talk to you. We need to talk about the secrets that can be uncovered by looking deep into our budget. Oh my goodness. I'm saying that if you take a budget, anybody's budget, and you say, give me all of the receipts to back up this budget, kind of like the IRS, but not quite, but kind of, yeah. If somebody audits your budget, right, and they say, well, give me every receipt to support this expense and this expense and this expense, and every invoice to support this expense and that expense, right? What would that tell them about you? What would that tell them about me? What would it tell them about your life and what you value? But looking at every single thing that goes out of your house, it is going to uncover major stuff, possibly. It's going to tell you what you spend most of your time doing. It's going to tell you what you like to eat, where you like to go, where you shop, what your preferences are. It's going to tell you pretty much everything about you. And that's where it might get a little squirrely, because it's like, well, I don't want to know all that stuff. And this is where people might say, you know what, I don't need a budget. I get my check, I get my income, I get my funds, and I pay my bills that need to be paid, and I'm good. And it's that type of thought process that will hinder us from reaching financial goals and gaining abundance, because we're not being good stewards of our money and our income, and therefore we're not going to necessarily keep receiving those things. It is highly, highly important for us to be able to say, you know what? I gotta face it. Let's see what my budget is saying to me. Let's see what my expenses are saying to me and where I'm putting my attention and my treasure, right? Take a challenge. Take 90 days. I challenge you to take 90 days of your receipts, or 60 days. Or if you really like, I ain't really trying to do this, 30 days. But 90 days of your receipts, and look at what you're buying. What are you spending on? What are you consuming? What are you taking in? Who are you loaning money to? What's going on with your income? Where is it going? Where is your expenses going? What kind of picture does it paint? What does it say about you? What would somebody say? Well, this is what you seem to care about the most. At that point, that's when you'll have that, I might need to change some things up, or maybe I don't really need to do this as often or that as often. I can cut this down or cut that down. That is where we talk about a budget fast. I'm going to do a video about a budget fast, but for now, I'm just encouraging us to take the challenge to evaluate. Just take a peek and what do your receipts say about you? What do they say about your family? What are they uncovering or unlocking about your finances? So say it with me. Even if this is a tough topic, you still a budget boss. So say it with me now. I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. See you later.